Hey guys, this is Jeremy Madrano back here at Family RV. And if you didn't see the last video, I covered a video of 5 major floor plans that are out on the market. So this video, I actually want to go into depth about each floor plan and maybe once again try to find the right floor plan for you. So this particular floor plan that we're going to concentrate on is the bunkhouse floor plan. In the last video that you want to check out right over here, in the last video we talked about the different variations of bunkhouses. So now this is the 19-foot bunkhouse. This is a Salem Cruz Lite by Forest River. But if you guys notice, in this bunk, right, in 19 feet, you're only going to get 2 single bunks. You're going to get a booth dinette, right? You're going to get a queen size RV queen size bed, and that runs east-west, not north-south. You're going to get a long kitchen with a 2-range stove and a smaller refrigerator. You also have AC, indoor-outdoor speakers, and full entertainment for, if you guys, for your camping needs. So if you guys are looking for a smaller trailer and you just want to sleep, 4 or 5 people, maybe a 19-foot dual bunk might work for you. Okay guys, so the last trailer we talked about was the 195BH Salem Cruz Lite by Forest River. Moving up one size, right, we're moving to the 201BHXL Salem Cruz Lite by Forest River, and the floor plan is almost the same. It is a foot bigger, but let me show you the differences. The 201BHXL is going to give you the dual bunks, just like the 195. Right? It's going to give you the bathroom in the back, just like the 195, but there are some upgrades that I do want to show you and what they actually did with the extra footage. In the last trailer, 19 foot moving up to 201, in that extra foot, you guys are getting a lot of extra features that I would like to point out. So first feature I want to talk about is stainless steel appliances. So you're running stainless steel refrigerator, stainless steel oven, stainless steel microwave. That comes with the extra foot. Also, you guys are getting a bigger refrigerator. So if you guys notice, in this refrigerator, it's a 6-foot cubic refrigerator versus other manufacturers in smaller units put smaller refrigerators. So once again, moving up an extra foot, you guys are getting a bigger refrigerator, stainless steel appliances. Also, you're moving into bigger countertop, bigger sinks. You're moving into cabinet doors with glass inserts. You're also getting a remote control system. So this remote control system operates the awning, the jacks, and all your lighting. So when you guys get to your campground, you can stand back with the remote in your hand, put down the jacks, open the awning, and turn on all your lighting with one simple push of a button. Alright guys, so the last feature that kind of makes this floor plan unique is the Murphy bed. Not a lot of manufacturers give it to you, but just let me show you how it works. So first you got to remove the cushions. You lay down the couch and you turn that flat into a bed, and then what you do is you go ahead and undo the latch, bring the bed down, fold over, and now you guys got your Murphy bed. Now, like I was saying, with all those features that you get for an extra foot, 201BHXL might not be a bad floor plan. Okay guys, the next floor plan that we're in is the 241BHXL Salem Cruz Lite by Forest River. Now we're jumping up 4 feet from the last trailer that we talked about, and I want to talk about what you get in those 4 feet. Now, when you move up 4 feet, you're going to get 2 double bunks. As you guys recall, the last trailer that we talked about, you got 2 single bunks. So the benefit of 2 double bunks is you guys can sleep 2 kids here, each bunk, if you needed to, and it gives you the room. Another feature I want to talk about is, if you guys didn't notice, the 19-foot and the 20-foot did not have a slide out. The 24-foot, the 241, does have a slide out that's 6 feet long, 42 inches deep with a U-shaped dinette. Not only is it a great place to have dinner or play games when it's raining outside, but the slide out incorporates a lot of square footage inside of the coach. So, next feature I want to talk about in the 241, guys, is not only do you guys get an entertainment center that will fit at least a 42-inch TV and a full entertainment center, but the parents also get a full bedroom by themselves. So let's check this out. Not only do you get 2 double bunks instead of single bunks, you guys get a slide out with the U-shaped dinette, more square footage, and now you're getting a private bedroom for the adults with pocket doors that actually close. So, if you guys have kids and you guys want a bunkhouse, but you want a little bit more square footage and a private bedroom, the 241 BHXL Sail and Cruise Lite would probably be one of the best trailers to look at. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to like or subscribe to our channel. Or even better, if you guys want to come see me, my name is Jeremy Madrano here at Family RV, and I don't only have this bunkhouse, but I have a lot of other bunkhouses to choose from. So hope to see you guys soon, and happy camping.